2025 ushered in new developments and unique opportunities in our historic site's ongoing effort to protect and expand its rare surviving prairie ecosystem. Winter and spring saw museum staff and dedicated volunteer Ty Stewart out with the chainsaw again. Last year's efforts were focused on felling or girdling highly invasive black locust trees. This year we began removing larger scrub trees of other proliferating species within the heavy buckthorn patches which surround our southern prairie reclamation area, in preparation for addressing this reserve of invasive species in our next stage of the project. Springtime also presented the opportunity for fire to be reintroduced to this landscape. The process of ecological succession must be interrupted by factors such as fire for prairie to endure. And we are thankful that the Portage Fire Department invested their time and expertise to do just that. Fire once again became part of our existing prairie's renewal cycle, resulting in an intense green-up as the growing season began. As we continue in the persistence phase of this project, the primary purpose remains to eliminate the black locust tree threat from the property. It has been interesting to see the three main locust reclamation patches exhibit some unique traits this year. Some patches are oddly almost absent of resprouts this season, while other locust resprouting areas are still going strong. Prairie grasses have begun to fill in some reclaimed areas thickly, while others have retained their scrubby nature. Opportunistic pioneer plants, which initially sprang up in the wake of logging, have in some areas begun to disappear as other species take over. Prairie seed collecting by local middle school volunteers has kicked off this autumn season. A final major development for this year's prairie efforts is a partnership which has developed between our project and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service's Partners Program. The Partners Program exists to help private landowners make leaps in habitat improvements that they could not accomplish on their own. As their involvement with us gets underway, we are hopeful and eager to see how our ongoing prairie restoration journey can expand and progress. In the meantime, join us in taking a step back and appreciating some views of the prairie this year, both the existing area and the sections which have been the focus of our intensive reclamation efforts over the past 4 years. We are so thankful for the progress which has been made.